Hi, this is Carvi Rana from Logistics Insider, and joining me is Mr. Ravi Kumar Tummalapalli. He is MD India va-Q-tec. Welcome to CCUB 2023, sir. Hope you have had a lovely day.
Thank you, and having me here in Bengaluru, a beautiful city. And then I'm very happy to see that CCUB is really growing. And since I've been there, a part of this event for many years, and then moving from Hyderabad to Bengaluru, it is really refreshing.
Well, so we really acknowledge you being the part of CCUB for so many years. So diving into the questions right away. So my first question to you is, how does cold chain packaging play a pivotal role in preserving the integrity of temperature sensitive products during transportation as well as storage?
Sure. Thank you. I think, when we are talking about cold chain packaging solutions, there are many types of packaging solutions which come, particularly we look at, when we are designing solutions, we look at what kind of product is being transported, what kind of temperature ranges are required, and what is the total transit time, what kind of facilities are there in terms of maintaining the cold chain at the origin, transit, and at destination. So there are multiple factors which we take into consideration when we are designing a particular solution for a shipper or a product type. Particularly in pharmaceuticals, what happens is the temperature ranges are very stringent, particularly because we are dealing with medicines and human lives. But when it comes to food and vegetables or any other kind of perishables, there is some amount of tolerance which is available for us to play around. And the second factor what we look at is whether the product is also able to absorb the cost of packaging is another important thing. Someone asked me whether I can ship ice creams using your packaging or using your high performance packaging. Then I said, why not? But someone should be able to afford those ice creams because the ice cream would become a little expensive. So we need to look at what kind of product, what kind of temperature ranges, whether the product can absorb that cost. And the solutions, the people who are designing that solution should be aware about these factors when they are designing it. In fact, from va-Q-tec, what we do is we do have multi-use solutions, single-use solutions, particularly in R&D, APIs, excipients, or blood products, where the shippers or the laboratories, they don't want to use the packaging again because of the risk of contamination. And that is where we have specific single-use packaging solutions available for those kind of products. And we do have a multi-use product also, which gives that flexibility to the shipper to buy the packaging once, but you can use it multiple times. So the cost per trip actually reduces drastically. That is where even the low-cost products also can also use the high-performance packaging solutions. So that is one. And apart from it, obviously you might have heard about active solutions and passive solutions. So we use these kind of solutions keeping in mind the kind of challenges which are faced at the origin and transit, and recommend active solutions or passive solutions based on the need case.
Well, sir, coming to my next question, I want to talk about reusable packaging formats. How has it evolved in cold chain packaging industry in particular, and how do you expect it to evolve further in the future?
Okay. I think it takes me through the answer what I mentioned for the first question, where we're talking about specifically on reusable packaging solutions. In the past or even today also, India has not evolved so much in terms of reusable packaging, particularly because lack of regulations and availability of cheap packaging solutions, which people are still using it. They are not able to come out of the one-time use packaging solutions, particularly because they are available at very low cost. Disadvantages being that these packaging solutions are not qualified solutions. This situation we are seeing that it is going to change, particularly with sustainability coming in, and even the government authorities or the pharmaceutical control bodies also are taking a cognizance of it, and then asking the shippers to use more of high performance packaging solutions, reusable packaging solutions, which will help reduce the usage of packaging material and reduce the usage of even the throwaway materials what we have with the one-time use packaging. So when va-Q-tec wanted to expand the product portfolio in India, then this was one thing which we kept in mind. And we don't want to burden the shippers with high capex cost for buying high performance packaging solutions. So we even designed rental models also, not for the big containers but even for the small boxes as well, where the shipper does not have to invest their money on the capex, but they pay only per use. So this is very attractive in terms of bringing the cost of high performance packaging solutions more or less to the same level of the single use packaging solutions.
Well, sir, that is a great initiative taken by va-Q-tec. It is also supporting sustainability. Is there any other sustainability initiative at va-Q-tec that you would like to share with us?
Yes, in fact, we talk about sustainability a lot, but va-Q-tec being a German company, we are already a carbon neutral company for the last 3 years. So apart from this, all our packaging solutions, when we design it and when we offer to our shippers, we also have the calculations of each and every packaging solution. If they are transported from point A to point B, then what is the amount of carbon we are generating out of this packaging. So by being so transparent, we are giving that trust, we are giving that confidence to the shippers that we are not only talking about sustainability or talking jargons here, but we are practically implementing them. So once we present these solutions to the shipper, they can take their own call whether they want to use this packaging and then ship it by air, ship it by ocean, and overall they can still calculate how much contribution they are making to the carbon footprint.
Well, sir, it's lovely to hear how va-Q-tec is already carbon neutral, especially at a time when most companies have only started being carbon neutral. And kudos to va-Q-tec for doing that. Sir, coming to my final questions, we are here at CCUB 2023. What are your thoughts on that, and what do you expect from this event?
Probably I answered your question in the beginning of my discussion already. CCUB is a great event. In fact, actually I've been participating in many conferences, but I see this event as a real industry event where it is not only the forwarders, you see airlines, the airport authorities, shippers, policy makers, everyone on the same platform. I think this is a great event, great initiative by West Freight and particularly Satish, which is his passion. And I would definitely like to participate, would like to contribute to any kind of initiatives which are coming out of this CCUB. And we have been talking about a couple of policy initiatives also where I can also contribute from my past experience as being a shipper. And very happy to be part of this event, and for sure wherever it is going to be, Hyderabad, Bangalore, you will see me back coming.
So we'll be happy to host you every time. Thank you so much for your time, sir.
Thank you.